All right, guys, welcome to step number one. The first thing we're going to do is set up your trading broker. Now, if you guys don't know what a trading broker is, just think of it as a place where your option contracts or your trades are going to be executed on. So this is the place where you're going to buy and sell option contracts or even stocks, et cetera, et cetera. So there are a lot of trading brokers out there. The ones that we're going to recommend are these three over here. And these are the pros and cons of each, right? We have Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, and I think now it's owned by Charles Schwab. But Thinkorswim is a platform where you can place trades. And then Robinhood, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are familiar with Robinhood. And then we have Webull. I'm going to break down each one real quick, but I just want to say the best trading broker for day trading, in my opinion, as far as executing the contracts, speed and all of that, has to be Thinkorswim that I've used before. Now, the only thing that I hate about Thinkorswim is they have commissions on your trades. So that is why, you have an efficient order execution and you have, it rarely lags and you can do instant deposit and all that stuff, right? So Thinkorswim is great for trading, but you will have to pay commission. The second best is Webull. Now, I actually use Webull now instead of Thinkorswim just because Webull is way more easier to use. And I found where I can calculate all my contracts and all that things way more easily on Webull than I could on Thinkorswim. Now, I didn't have any issues on Thinkorswim besides the commission part, so Webull is pretty much the same. Besides, this one is free, so you can get zero commission option trading enabled on Webull. So I use Webull for day trading, and I use Robinhood for swing trading. And Webull is great if you also want to do paper trading. Their paper trading platform, in my opinion, is the best. And like I said, it is commission free. So if you are looking to day trade as well, then I would sign up for Webull. Now, Robinhood is, I know there's a lot of, I would say 50-50 people saying that it's great, other people saying it's not. In my experience, growing your account on Robinhood is very, very easy. And I've had no issues with Robinhood besides the order execution. Sometimes they don't execute right, but it is a free trading platform, so I totally understand you're not going to have the best executions. But Robinhood is great for swing trading. So if you want to swing trade, I would definitely recommend Robinhood. I would not recommend Robinhood if you're going to day trade. So if you're looking to day trade every single day, then Robinhood is probably not the best platform for you. I would just stick with Webull or Thinkorswim. Now, if you don't know how to set up these accounts, I'm just going to go over, just give you guys exactly how to do that. So you're just going to go on, let's say Robinhood, right? If you want to sign up for Robinhood, just going to go on robinhood.com. And this is their website. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click sign up. Now, I already have a Robinhood account, so I've already filled out all this stuff. But basically, you're just going to fill out all this information, and it's going to ask you a bunch of things like your social security number, your first name, last name, your email address, et cetera, et cetera. But it's pretty straightforward. Just answer it to the best of your ability. And then what you want to do is you want to try to enable option level 2 or 3 once you get to that screen. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Enabling options trading on Robinhood. So when you guys do get to the part where it asks you if you want to enable options trading, you want to click yes, and that is going to be very important. So let me show you guys how that's going to look like. All right. So right here, you're going to go to settings, and then it's going to say get options trading, and you're just going to click on that, and then you're going to follow out the steps to enable options trading. So if this is something that you guys are having trouble with, go ahead and either DM me or just ask in the chat, and someone will help you out. Or if I have the time, I will help you out as well to help enable this options trading. But it's very important that you do that because we do trade options predominantly. So options trading is what you're going to have to enable. I will go over what options are in the next few videos, but for now, just know you will need to enable options trading, and level 2 is what you're going to have to enable for sure. So try to get level 2 options trading enabled. And Webull, same thing. You're just going to go on Webull.com if you want to get the Webull account. And inside of Webull, you're going to click sign up. And again, it's going to ask you for your information, right? They're going to ask you, does your parents, I mean, not your parents, but is your family or immediate family member or friend directly connected to a stock? Do they own equity in a stock that's in the public market due to insider information? So things like that. You obviously, if you don't have any, you're just gonna click no. But it's just gonna ask you a bunch of information. You can sign up with your phone number and Google account, et cetera, et cetera, and then obviously fill out your personal information. But it's pretty straightforward, guys. But that is what you guys are gonna have to do first. So please create your trading broker. And if you guys have any questions on how to do it exactly, go ahead and ask us in the questions channel, which I'm going to cover in a little bit. And I'm going to cover in the next few videos. And we'll go ahead and answer any questions you guys might have. But yeah, step one, enable options trading for your brokers. And let's get started to step number 2.